Hi everyone, I hope you all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 9, Rectification of Errors, Exercise Sum number 13. The bookkeeper of a firm found that the trial balance was out by rupees 922 excess credit. He placed the amount in the suspense account and subsequently found the following errors. Let's see the transaction. First transaction, that is the total of discount column on the credit side of the cash book rupees 78 was not posted in the ledger. What this transaction tells us, they have given here clearly. Read the transaction twice or thrice. You can understand what they asked, what they given, what they asked. Okay. Here they given clearly discount column on the credit side of the cash book rupees 78 rupees, which means on cash book left side as debtor and right side we have creditor side. Okay, so discount received on creditor side we have the discount received account, on debtor side we have the discount allowed account. Okay, so can you understand? Listen, discount column on credit side of the cash book rupees 78. That means discount on credit side cash book, credit side cash book credit side we have the discount received account. Discount column means discount column on the credit side of the cash book means discount received account rupees 78 rupees was not posted in the ledger. Are you clear? Which account was not posted in the ledger? Discount received account was not posted in the ledger. This is the partial omission. Discount received is the partial omission. So we find the error. Okay. Discount column on credit side of the cash book means cash book credit side discount received account. Okay. This account is omitted. So we find the error. Was not posted means they omitted the discount received account. So how can we rectify this error? The rectification of the journal entry is this is the answer. Okay. So which side? On credit side they omitted the discount received account. So we have to pass to discount received account 78 rupees. We credited the discount received account. We have credited discount received account 78 rupees. We entered on credit side the discount received account. Okay. In opposite side we have created suspense account rupees 78. Okay. This is the rectification of the journal entry for discount received account. The next transaction is total of purchases book was short by rupees 1000. Whenever you see short, less, under cost in the given transaction, you have to follow the original journal entry. On which book 1000 rupees short? Purchases book. Okay, where is purchases book shows on journal entry? Purchases book or purchases account always shows on debit side. Purchases book account debtor to suspense account 1000 rupees. So under cost of purchases book is now rectified. Next transaction is a credit of sale of goods to Natarajan for rupees 375 was entered in the sales book as 735. Okay, read the transaction twice or thrice. Listen, a credit of sale of goods to Natarajan for 375. What this transaction tells us? You sold goods to Natarajan on credit rupees 375. This is the credit sales. Okay, what this transaction tells us? This is the credit sales. So what is the journal entry for credit sales? Natarajan account debtor 375 rupees to sales account. This is the correct journal entry for the up to this transaction. Okay. So Natarajan account debtor 375 rupees to sales account 375 rupees. Where is sales account? Sales account is on credit side. Okay. When you generate sales, you received income. Okay. So when you made credit sales, you have to enter the name of the person on the debit side. So Natarajan account debtor to sales account. Okay. Was entered in the sales book as 3735. They entered wrong amount. So which is the error? Where is the error? Instead of 375, they entered 735 on the ledger, on the sales book. Okay. So this is overcost. Instead of 375, they entered rupees 735. This is the overcost. Okay. So what we have to do? We find the error. What we have to do? We have to follow opposite journal entry. What is the correct journal entry for this transaction? The Natarajan account debtor to sales account. How do we rectify it? We have to opposite it. Okay. So where is this is the answer. Okay. Rectified journal entry is, listen, Natarajan account debtor. Where is Natarajan account? It is on debit side. We have to credit it. So to Natarajan account 360 rupees. We credited the Natarajan account. Then where is sales account? Sales account is on credit side. We have to debit it. Okay. So sales account debtor 360 rupees. We debited the sales account. Now the error is rectified. We have to enter the difference value. We have to subtract 375 rupees from 735. We will get 360 rupees. We have to enter the difference value between them. Okay. The next transaction is a credit sale of goods to Mekala for rupees 700 was entered in the purchases book. You are required to give the rectification entries and prepare suspense account. Listen, read the transaction twice or thrice, then only you can easily understand and easily able to find the error and rectify the error. Okay. Listen, a credit sale of goods to Meghala for rupees 700. Up to this, what you understand this transaction? You sold goods to Meghala rupees 700, right? Okay. What is the journal entry for up to this? Meghala account debtor 700 to sales, because you sold goods to Meghala. This is the credit sales. Okay. You made sales to Meghala for credit rupees 700. Okay. So the correct journal entry is Meghala account debtor to sales account 700 rupees. Listen, it was entered in the purchases book. Instead of sales book, you have wrongly entered into the purchases book. Okay. This is two-side error. So what is the journal entry they given? You wrongly, an accountant wrongly posted into the purchases book, which means purchases account debtor 700 rupees to Meghala account 700 rupees. This is the error entry. They made the error. Instead of sales book, they enter into the purchases book. Okay. So purchases account debtor 700 rupees to Meghala account 700 rupees. This is, where is error? This is two-sided error. Debtor side error and creditor side error. Both sides we have the error. We find the error. How do we rectify this error? Listen, rectified journal entry 1. Listen, you sold goods to Meghala for rupees 700, right? You sold goods to Meghala rupees 700. This is the credit sale. So first what you have to do, make a account debtor 700 rupees. How do we rectify it? You have to copy the debtor account here. So make a account debtor, how much rupees? 700 rupees. Okay, then which is the error entry on debtor side? Listen, which is the error? Megala account is error. On which side? Credit side. We have to debit it. Okay, so you have to enter Megala account debtor, how much rupees? 700 rupees. Megala account is credited. To rectify that account, you have to debit it. So Megala account debtor 700 rupees. Then the correct entry to sales account is the correct entry. Megala account debtor 700 to sales account. This is the correct journal entry. You have to copy it here. Megala account debtor 700 rupees to sales account 700 rupees. Are you clear? Megala account debtor 700 rupees to sales account 700 rupees. The correct journal entry you have to copy it here. Okay. Then the error account, Megala account is credited. You have to rectify this account only, you have to debit it. Megala account debtor. Then purchases account is debited. To rectify it, you have to credit the purchases account. So to purchases account 700 rupees, you credited the purchases account. Okay, this is first method. Okay, then this is the answer, rectified journal entry 2. This is the actual answer. Okay, listen, we have totaled the Megala account, because Megala account debtor 700 rupees, Megala account debtor 700 rupees, we have to total the Megala account. So Megala account debtor 700 plus 700, how much rupees? 1400. So Megala account debtor 1400 rupees, to sales account 700 rupees entered, and to purchases account 700 rupees entered here. Okay, this is the actual rectified journal entry. Now what they asked here, we have to prepare the suspense account for the, we have to prepare the suspense account. So we create the ledger account, we open the ledger account for the suspense account. Okay, so how many suspense accounts are here? From the journal entry, we have 2 suspense accounts. Okay, listen, which side first we take the, which side we have the suspense account here? On debtor side. So on ledger account, suspense account, we go to debtor side. What is the opposite account from the suspense account? Discount received account. So where is suspense account? Suspense account is on debtor side. We go to debtor side, we have to enter the opposite account from the suspense account. Which is the opposite account from the suspense account? Discount received account 78 rupees. So we have to enter discount received account on debtor side 78 rupees, enter into the amount column. We entered. The next suspense account is, listen, we have credit side, the suspense account. Where is suspense account? Suspense account is on credit side. Okay, so on ledger account, we go to credit side. Which account is opposite account from the suspense account? Purchases book account. How much rupees? 1000 rupees. So we have to enter, we have to post it on credit side, purchase by purchases book account 1000 rupees. Okay, because why we go to credit side? Suspense account is on credit side, so we go to credit side. Okay, we have to enter the opposite account here. How much rupees? 1000 rupees we entered. Okay, okay, now we have to find out which side has the highest value. Credit side has the highest value. How much rupees? 1000 rupees. debit side we have 78 rupees, credit side we have 1000 rupees. So credit side has the highest value 1000 rupees. We have to enter 1000 rupees as the total on both the side. Okay, so we entered 1000 rupees on debit and credit side as the total. Okay, now we find the difference value. So we have to subtract 78 rupees from the 1000 rupees from the total. We will get 922 rupees. This is the difference in the book. Listen here what they given here in the heading: 922 rupees excess credit, right? So on credit side we have 922 rupees excess. So to balance it only, we have to enter that 922 rupees on lesser side. Okay, do you have, now we prepared the suspense account. Okay, do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.